probably heard of malaria. It's a disease caused by a pathogen called Plasmodium and results in more than 600,000 deaths each year. While Plasmodium can be lethal in humans, in many organisms it's completely harmless. Apes, for instance, seem unaffected by Plasmodium infections. If apes don't develop malaria like humans, then why do researchers care when an ape is infected with Plasmodium? Because by studying infections in apes, scientists can learn a lot. To see how, we need to look a little closer. Apes, like gorillas and chimpanzees, are our closest living relatives. They live in forests throughout Central Africa. These forests have mosquitoes, too. Female mosquitoes need to take a blood meal in order to lay their eggs. Sometimes when a mosquito takes a meal from an ape, it gets more than just blood. Plasmodium gametes can hitch a ride from an infected ape, or host, to a mosquito, or vector. Inside the mosquito, these gametes develop over the next few days. Once developed, the Plasmodium parasites can be passed on and infect new apes during subsequent mosquito bites. As generations of Plasmodium are passed between hosts and vectors, mutations develop, creating genetic diversity. By examining the diversity in a population, we can build an evolutionary tree of how Plasmodium has evolved over time. Understanding how the pathogen responsible for malaria is changing is an extremely valuable tool in the fight against this deadly disease. In this way, studying Plasmodium infections in apes allows scientists to better understand, treat, and prevent malaria in humans.